Welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we will see how to use flexi pricing to increase or decrease your price in percentage for one or more properties at once. Flexi pricing is especially used during long weekends, festivals, holidays, local events, or low demand seasons. Instead of calculating new prices by yourself, you simply choose a percentage and Homeyhuts automatically update your dates across all of your connected OTAs. Flexi pricing also lets you check each property's occupancy before you decide. Just filter by occupancy percentage, date range, or days of the week. And Homeyhuts shows you the exact occupancy of your listing so you know which one needs a price push and which don't. Now understand how to see occupancy. For this, go to menu, click on Host Control Center, click on Calendar. To filter occupancy, click on filter icon at the top right corner. Here, select the date range and save. You can select the days of the week. Now suppose you want to see the properties which have less than 50% occupancy. Now click on Apply Filters. Now you can only see the properties that has less than 50% occupancy rate. You can take an informed decision based on the occupancy rate from here. Now, let's see how to update price using Flexi pricing feature. Click on Flexi pricing option. Select the property or number of properties you want to update price. Now click on to update pricing. Choose a single date or a date range which you want to apply for price change. Then you can select and unselect days of the week as required. And then you get two options over here, either to increase the price or to decrease the price based on a percentage. Now, for example, if a long weekend is coming up and you want to charge 15% more, so you can simply enter 15% over here, select the increase option, then preview the price change that is going on to happen. And then click on to apply. Homeyhuts will then automatically calculate and update rate and sync them across all of your connected OTAs. There are few things that you should remember while updating flexi pricing. The first one being the flexi pricing percentage can be updated only between 1 to 20% in single operation. We have done it to avoid any mistakes. If you want to apply more than 20% change, you can repeat the operation. This percentage is applied to your existing base price and all of your update prices are automatically synced with your connected OTAs. So you don't have to update on each channel separately. You can select one or multiple properties and update pricing together, saving time during seasonal or event-based price change. And that's it. With flexi pricing, you can respond to market demands in just a few clicks. Whether you're increasing rates during a peak season or offering better prices to improve occupancy, it is a quick and efficient way to keep your pricing competitive while saving valuable time. Thanks for watching.